Hey guys, today I'm doing a makeup tutorial on this look right here. This is my go-to everyday easy makeup look. I wear it going just grocery shopping or going to work or really anything. I just want to throw on a little bit of makeup and head out the door. Don't mind my hair. I just got out of the shower not too long ago and I'm letting it just naturally dry. But if you guys want to see me put together this look for you, then just keep watching. Alright, so I have primed my face already and I used the Revlon Photo Ready primer that I've been using. And now I'm just going to go in with my Fit Me foundation in the shade 120 and 112. And I'm just going to apply that all over my face with my Beauty Blender. Alright, now that we have our foundation on, we are going to move on to some concealer. Now I did get a new concealer. I've already used it once or twice and so far my feelings are mixed. I got the Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer. Looks like this. And I got this in the color Swan. It's a pretty color. It's the perfect shade that I was looking for. It just tends to crease really bad under my eyes. I did try setting it with one thing the first time I used it and it creased really bad. The second time it didn't crease as bad because I used something different. So I'm gonna try it out a little bit longer, see if maybe it was just that one time, or the couple times that it creased on me, and see, you know, maybe if I try something different, if I'll like it more. So today I'm gonna use this and I am just gonna put it under my eyes, down the center of my nose, my chin, and my forehead. And then I'm gonna go in and blend it in with my beauty sponge. All right, now that I got that all blended in, I'm gonna go in with the E8 brush by Morphe and go in with my RCMA translucent powder and just set under my eyes before they start creasing. All right, now that I got that set, I am gonna go in with the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder in the color Fair. And I am gonna use my big fluffy brush from Morphe, the JH01 brush, and I'm just gonna set the rest of my face with this powder. All right, now that we got our face set, I am gonna go in with my bronzer, which is the Rimmel London Natural Bronzer in the color Sunlight. Looks like that. And I am just going to bronze up my cheeks, my forehead, and a little bit of the rest of my face with it. And I am using the JH02 brush by Morphe. All right, now that we are all bronzed up, I am gonna go in with some highlighter and highlight my cheekbones and the bridge of, or the down the center of my nose and my forehead a little bit. And I am gonna use something a little different than normal. I'm actually gonna use the LA Girl Strobe Light Strobing Powder, and it's in the color Watt, and it looks like that. It's a very nice, like, white with almost like gold reflectives in it, like a pinky gold. And highlight the cheekbones. All right, now that we're done highlighting, I am gonna go in with the Sigma blush called Heavenly. Looks like this. It's very much like a pinky nude color. All right, and now we are done with the face for the time being. I am gonna move on to the eyes. Now I am gonna set my eyes with the same concealer, and I'm going to set my eyes with the same RCMA translucent powder. And I'll be using my beauty sponge to blend that in. All right, now I'm gonna go in with a big fluffy brush. I'm gonna go in with my Morphe E23 brush. Looks like that. It's a little dirty at the moment, but it's a nice big fluffy brush. And I'm gonna go into the Morphe Dare to Create 39A palette, and I'm gonna go in with this shade right here. And this will be my transition shade. All right, now that we got that color in the crease, I am gonna go in with this brush right here, which is a Sigma E38 brush. And I am gonna go in with this shade right here in the palette and place that above my crease, but a little lower than how far I just brought up the last one, the last color. All right, now we are gonna go in with the JH33 brush. It looks like that. And I'm gonna go into, let's see, this color right here from the same palette. And that I'm gonna put right here on the outer corner. All right, now that we got that done, we're gonna move on to a different palette. I'm gonna move back in, not back into, but I'm gonna move into the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette. Looks like this. And I am gonna move into this shade right here, which is like a pinky, silvery brown, but not very brown. It's like a pinky silver color. I'm just gonna apply that to my lid. All right, so now that I got my eyes done for the time being, I am going to get my brows done really quick, and I am gonna do that off camera. It's just a little easier. It won't take as much time to do off camera, so I will be right back. All right guys, now that I have my brows done, I am gonna move on to under my eyes. So for this, again, this is a dirty brush, but this is the JH38 brush. It's just a small pencil brush. And I'm gonna go back in to that dark color right here that we used last, and I'm going to put that right under my bottom lashes. All right, and now I'm gonna go in with my E17 brush by Morphe. And I'm just going, no product, just going to blend out this darker shadow, or this brown shadow. All right, now that we got that blended in with that same brush that we were just using to smoke that out a little bit, I'm gonna go back into that very, very first shade we used right here. And I'm just going to use that to help blend it out a little bit more, make it a little bit less choppy, I guess. All right, and now that we got that done, I'm gonna go in with another pencil brush and go back into that Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette and take this shade right here, and I'm going to highlight my inner corner and my brow bone with this. All right, and now that I've got that done, I am going to apply some mascara and a lipstick, and I will be right back. All right, guys, so this is the final look. I did just apply some mascara and a lipstick, which is the color Brave by MAC. It looks like that. If it wants to focus, there we go. And this makeup is very easy to apply. It's very simple. It's an everyday look. This is how I normally do my makeup on a daily basis when I'm going to work, or if I'm just going out, grocery shopping, or just doing whatever with my day. This is what I would normally go to as far as look goes. And you know, with this look, you could do really any lipstick with it, or lip gloss, or nothing at all if you wanted to. So like I said, it was super simple to put together. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me do it for you. And if you have any questions, just leave me a comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell notification for future videos that I post. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.